Hello, we are here back again in a new video. Today we are gonna play some War Thunder. But you know, do you have those problems when you have two friends playing the game but you have no... but like together, not online. So your friend cannot play when you are playing. This is a easy way to... This is a very nice way to play together at the same time this game. First you need a mouse, any kind of mouse, and then you need controller. So the friend with the mouse is gonna aim like so, very nice, and the other one is gonna control the tank or plane. Not plane, plane does not work. You should play tank with this. So let's try this very nice hack. This is very fun and cool. Very nice. So we are in the game now. We are gonna start to play with the BT-5 tank. Yes. The country we are going with is China, of course. Yes, very nice. So you see, I am controlling the aiming with this. Is very good.
And I'm controlling the tank with this button.
Yes. Joystick.
Yes.
So we are gonna now shut up so you can hear the game volume.
Yes.
That tank is very ugly. Oh shit. Okay, well we have another tank to play with, so no worries.
It's pretty hard to see where are you going with the video looking about.
Yes. So now we are gonna play with the T-26 tank.
The aimer must be very careful when driving.
Yes. So the driver can see where to go.
Look forward. I want to see something.
Oh yes, yes. Oh, don't drive to the what? Don't drive to the fence.
Yes.
It's not very
Look
nice.
left.
Left.
Is there
left.
any enemies?
Left. I don't see any enemies. Let's see. Oh shit! No, not again. God damn it.
You have to look forward. This is not fun.
Yes. I'm sorry. I try better next time.
Okay.
Okay, so we have to find a new game because we are out of tanks
Do
now.
we have the plane?
No, we
Oh,
can.
very big tank.
I don't think we can play in this game mode.
This tank is very big.
This tank is really big.
Towards
Yes.
the hangar.
Yes. Very nice.
Let's see in another game.
That did not go so well. So we are here in another game. We're gonna start with the BT-5 tank again.
Yes.
This is a long and very cool
Now
tank.
you have to look forward.
Yes. I try very hard this time. What are these? Okay. Let's try this. What are you doing? Someone shooting. What is that tank? That's very
nice.
Very nice tanks around here.
Yes.
Oh, that's a very cool tank right there. Very nice. Oh shit,
Look
sorry. I
Look
did not
backward.
mean. I just got attracted to that tank. It's very cool.
Very nice. Anti-aircraft.
Very nice tank.
Machine.
That is a very nice tank too. I think that's the Saban's first tank that you get.
Anti-air gun.
Let's shoot it. I
You can
cannot
see
shoot.
the today's driving that tank.
Don't shoot. Don't look at me
Please.
like that. Let's see where we going.
Let's go snipping.
I have to scratch my nose.
Very nice.
Yes.
Let's enemy.
Oh, there's an enemy. Yes, we gonna shoot it down. There's another enemy. They go behind the house. We cannot shoot now. Oh, there it is again. Shoot it.
Oh,
Critical hit. We gonna kill that piece of shit. Oh, it went behind the house.
oh my lord.
Oh no, we are taking damage.
Look left.
Where is it coming? Oh shit. Repair the tank. Press X. 13
I
seconds.
hope he don't see us.
I
It's
hope.
very dangerous being in the field.
Yes.
Let's turn around and get the fuck out of here.
Let's go. Oh wait. Yes, no. Run away. Put some warning shots over there. Fuck you, go away.
I do not like turtles.
Oh,
I
that's a
go-
cool tank.
Very nice.
There's another enemy tank. Oh shit.
You have to.
Yes, I understand. Oh shit, another enemy tank. Let's shoot it. Shoot it down. Shoot it down. Oh shit, out of ammo. Shoot that piece. Piece of shit. Oh, we killed 2
Little
people.
bit lower.
Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere.
The push is running wow.
That freaking pushy. Stop. Stop.
Very hard
Go back.
controlling.
Go back, go back.
Let's kill that piece of crap.
We got to kill that dude.
Broke the wall.
No, don't go there. It's blocked.
No, we go here.
Yes.
Let's surprise him.
We
He's
gonna
very
do a-
intensive tank. There he is. Let's no-scope him.
I cannot see.
Yes, you can see him. You piece of crap, you sitter me.
Oh, it died. We did not kill. I got assist.
There is a tank in the field.
There is another tank.
Look, hiker. Look, hiker.
Oh, shit, they're taking damage. Let's go away. Go there, go there.
Yes. Very intensive gameplay.
Yes, this is a very intensive war game.
This is not for kids.
Yes.
Killing is happening in this game.
Oh,
Why the fuck
I
did you
hit
shoot
the house.
roof?
Oh,
Now he
it
did.
died. I saw that thing.
You suck.
It did not explode.
Not very realistic, but very nice game.
Things are not exploding. Oh shit, there's a wall there and there.
We
No,
are
you hit the
capturing
stairs.
this thing.
Oh yes. You can see right there
Look,
we are got
front. I
Oh yes.
want to see.
What was that? There's a burnt down tank.
Yes.
That's a very nice kill. We're almost done capturing this area.
Yes. Very intensive gameplay.
Yes, we captured it. Let's go.
Let's
Let's
go.
move around.
Kill everybody. Let's go to the right.
Where are enemies? There are no enemies around here.
I want to see forward.
Go over there.
Look forward so I do not drive into the river.
I look for enemies. I do not see enemies. Trash bin. Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice trash.
There is a tank in
Enemy.
the rigged.
Ricket? Oh yeah, Ricket is here.
Let's go snip him.
Whoops.
It's a river
What?
there. What do we do? There is a river. Oh, we can go here.
Don't drive in the river, it's
There
very
is
bad.
a look forward.
Yes.
Can you even try doing this game? What the fuck are you doing? I'm
I-
over.
Oh yes.
You bleed. I can shoot.
No, don't shoot.
I can. You shoot.
I am... One shot! Yes, we
I
are...
shoot. You didn't.
But I pressed button 2.
I press button first.
I pressed it too.
Yes. Look forward. You bleed.
Let's go over there.
No.
Okay, we go there then.
Can you even try looking forward? It's very stupid. Could you don't look any? You look.
There's a plane though.
Yes, I don't care. Want to see?
We have to see for enemies. Look for enemies too.
There is enemy in the left. Left.
Over there. Is it a plane or is it a tank?
It's a tank.
It's very fast.
It's run
tank. We
away.
can...
Could you leave this slow?
Yes, yes.
You suck.
Very nice. I don't think there are enemies over here.
Let's get behind them.
Oops, did
Don't
not
shoot.
mean to shoot.
You are
Did not,
spotting us.
did not mean to shoot. Very sorry.
There is a river in front of us, so we have to go through the top river.
We look for enemies.
There is not enemies. Look right. Let's go over this bridge. Don't shoot!
I did not shoot, man.
There is no enemy. Look, it's driving forward. You can see the front tracks. Look the right, there is a...
Don't shoot!
Look right!
Don't fucking jump on the bed, I cannot
you see
aim.
that?
It's burned down.
No, it's not.
Don't shoot it, it's burned down.
Very nice. Now it's boring. It's coming from
Oh,
the right.
yes.
You suck at this game.
I hit it.
You're
Sit.
taking heavy damage in the rigged. Fuck you, Tute.
Die.
You suck at timing.
Oh shit.
Shoot the plane.
Plane.
You suck
Why?
at timing.
No!
Let's switch.
Yes. Switch now. You record because I cannot record then.
Very nice.
Very nice. I eat some candy first. Now we go to
The
bed.
sensitivity is very high.
It does not matter.
Yes, it does matter. Don't shoot!
But I'm not so...
Very high sensitivity.
Yes.
Let's first shot I'm killed this dude.
Try harder, man.
Mikum. This video is now...
We have to look for enemies.
This video is 1 minute long.
Does not matter.
Look, ennen myös.
You have to look for enemies. Not left.
Ennen myös. Where the fuck are you driving? You have to press square when you aim. Look, what the fuck did you do?
I didn't know. Ah.
Let's stop the video here.
Yes.
Bye bye. Let's see you in
Bye bye.
another video.
Yes.